So how do you transform a space without buying new furniture?
Well, I'm about to show you. Watch as I transform this living room with just a little paint and a few new accent pieces.
Oh my gosh! Hey guys, what's up? Julene here. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is another makeover, and it's actually a living room makeover for a dear family friend named Diana. Her and her husband Malcolm were so patient as I went through this entire process, and the transformation was huge. What makes this video different than all the rest is I'm actually not buying any new furniture. You heard that right. I'm going to be using all of the existing furniture. This furniture is very sentimental to them, and so they wanted to keep it. Now, the only problem, or obstacle I should say, is that the furniture didn't necessarily match. Right now, they have pieces that have been accumulated over time, and it's just looking ununified. So my job is to unify the room using the existing furniture. When you want to make a drastic impact on a space with minimal effort, I suggest painting for one. I decided to go with a lighter paint color just to brighten up the space, and I decided to do picture frame molding to add more dimension to the space. Once the picture frame molding was finished, I went ahead and did some thrifting. I wanted to see if I could find any affordable trinkets and decor options for the place. You can watch all of the thrifting process in my last video. I'll make sure to link it below. You guys, I just found this coffee table that's going to be perfect for the living room. It has the gold accents and it's glass, and she really loves glass, so I think this is perfect.
Starting route to home.
Hey guys, so today is the day for finishing touches for the living room makeover. I'm about to go meet up with my mom, and she is going to come along with me as I pick up all the last minute things that we need to put that little sprucing on the room. So we need accent pillows, we need some throws, art. I also have a photo of her and her husband that I need to go get printed. So we're gonna be running all around town. So follow along today as we just try to get the room together, because tomorrow is going to be the reveal.
I really wanted to replace the console table that was underneath the television. So I thought, let's just go to Home Goods because we're almost guaranteed to find something there.
So I like this, guys. It's $50, so it's just like a huge chunk. This will be perfect, but it's way over budget. But it's the right size and right now it's $600. On clearance for $129. So I think we can get this one. Yeah, it was $179, now it's $129. So it's not as long as I would want or as tall as I would want, but we can put stuff on it to give it the illusion of being higher than it actually is. All right, we're gonna go for this one.
I was surprised at how many items we were actually able to snag. We got a standing light, a console table, and I got a nice piece of art for the room. Now that everything was purchased for the room, it was time to do the rearranging and put those finishing touches on. I found this 9x12 Laloy rug on Amazon. It's absolutely beautiful, and it has a lot of the colors from the furniture tied into it. Now, Laloy is one of my favorite rug brands because their vintage rugs actually are one of the best vintage dupe rugs out there. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to the rug in the bio.
Hey guys, so when you have a TV like this, I like to always get cord covers. It just makes the space look so much more neat and intentional when you cover the cords. So you can get them from Target, Home Depot. I've gotten them before at like Myers, so they sell them pretty much everywhere. And I just think it's essential when you're mounting a TV to get something like this.
I ended up having to split the cords into two, so you'll notice some cords hanging once I place the console table, but don't worry, tomorrow morning before the reveal, I'll be heading back to Home Depot to grab an additional cord cover so that we can make sure the cords are nice and neat for the reveal tomorrow. And that was the last of it, so we called it a night, and tomorrow's the big reveal.
Okay, you gotta close your eyes though. Okay, but before, so I asked Pastor Di to invite people over who have seen it before, and so obviously all of you guys are coming because you know what it used to look like. So just picture that in your head before you see this one. But close your eyes.
Okay. Like all of us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do what I'm asking you.
Do it now. That's good. Okay, now you can open your eyes.
Oh my gosh!
Walking tight, say the lightning, like how you move. I would swim across the ocean to hold on to you. I don't know where you've been, so right out of my head.
It swivels.
Yeah,
The panel.
The panel is dope.
Yo.
Like,
Yeah.
with the crown molding.
That
it's really
changed.
nice.
That totally changed the feel of the room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the
Oh my
light
gosh.
fixtures.
I never thought I would like my table gone. I
Uh-huh.
really like the table.
Good. I thrifted that too.
This is beautiful.
It looks really
It's
nice.
very roomy.
It looks super modern, which I didn't know if it was actually going to be able to do that with like, you know, like the big recliners there, but it still looks modern and it still looks like light and bright.
Thanks for watching, guys. I was so overdue for a makeover and I really enjoyed this one. There's lots of makeovers coming up, including makeovers for my home that I just moved into. So make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. I love you all so much and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye-bye.
And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name and